artificial intelligence in dermatopathology, new insights and perspectives.
In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the links to review the research and further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe.
New technologies are making possible what was considered futuristic only a few years ago.
In recent years, an increasing enthusiasm has been observed towards artificial intelligence and machine learning involving different areas of medicine.
Among these, although still in the embryonic stage, the dermatopathological field has also been partially involved, with the attempt to develop and train algorithms that could assist the pathologist in the differential diagnosis of complex melanocytic lesions.
AI and ML as machine learning models have shown that they can learn from their mistakes, self-correct, and thus be able to provide valid support to dermatopathologists. The researchers have not reached such levels as to allow a complete replacement of pathologists, but they can provide a good aid in histopathological diagnosis.
In this article, the researchers carried out a review of the literature regarding the state of the art and tried to determine promising future perspectives.
This confirms the need for new studies and discoveries in areas that have not been sufficiently explored, such as dermatopathological diagnosis served by AI.